everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live chat with Best Buy. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to contact Best Buy customer service via live chat, then follow the steps. Open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box and type in www.bestbuy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also, make sure that you are logged into your bestbuy.com account. Once you are done, from the main homepage of Best Buy, scroll all the way down until you see the Support and Services tab. Click on the Contact Us link from the tab and choose one of the options that you want to receive help with and give it a click. Now, click on the Chat Now button in order to start live chat with Best Buy customer service. Now, go ahead and type in your message here in the text box, and you'll be able to contact and start live chat with Best Buy Support Customer Service Center. That is how you can easily contact and start live chat with Best Buy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.